About Energy is trying to help companies build better batteries, and the way we do this is by turning a physical cell like this into a digital model. And digital models are very useful for battery development because they're used in their application, their management, design.
We started About Energy to fill a fundamental research gap. A huge amount of research is going into developing battery models, but a very limited amount of research is going into developing the inputs for their models. About Energy measures these inputs and provides them at a very high quality.
When we do research, we have two choices. We can do it practically, which is time consuming, very expensive, or we can do it virtually using a model. And what a model does is it's not a holy grail solution, but it lets you turn the dial to see what practical experiments are worth doing. And that saves companies a significant amount of money, and also it helps their organization do things faster. And that's really the impact we're trying to make by working with companies doing society changing things, such as changing the way we store energy, changing the way we travel around cities and even internationally. And that's what we're really trying to do, empower organizations to do the thing they do well by offering them models to really enhance that development.
So the core aim of About Energy is to increase the speed at which we move to electrified transport, and most importantly, trying to do that sustainably. Batteries by default aren't sustainable. They're not good for the environment by default. It's very important people consider how to build these into applications correctly, and they do this in a very efficient and optimized manner. What About Energy wants to achieve is giving people the tools to do this sustainably. We provide people with computer models that allow them to simulate and optimize designs virtually.
About Energy is trying to change the way batteries are developed, and we're doing this by making models more accessible to industry. There are many obstacles to using models, such as expensive licenses, needing to know how to code, and getting parameters specific to a battery. And our vision for the company is building a service and a product that means any organization can use modeling within their research development, whether you're a multinational automotive OEM or a e-bike hobbyist building a product for their own use.
So About Energy's USP is that we can offer university quality testing at commercial speed. A huge amount of battery research has been done in the last 10 years in universities around the world. That's cutting edge research, but research at the university level isn't ready for commercial application. About Energy is the vehicle that allows that research to go straight from university, straight to industry.
Models are agnostic, and they're useful in any context that a battery is used. We're working with companies developing new aerospace applications, we're working with companies developing electric vehicles, and we're working with companies building gigafactories.
We need designers to harness the power of computers when designing batteries. This is to ensure that the batteries are built as efficiently and sustainably as possible. Modeling is extremely useful for battery development, and we want this capability globally accessible. So we really believe that About Energy can have a huge impact on electrification.